Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Three short stories of Imam Hassan Ali Shah. Wazir Ismail Ganji was an eminent and devoted servant of the Imam in Junagadh. Once, Imam Hassan Ali Shah and Agha Ali Shah visited Junagadh. In one early morning, the Imam took him on the riding. When they reached Manjiwadi, they saw the women picking cattle's dung, putting in small baskets and lifting on their heads. When these women saw the mounds, they stopped aside by wailing with the scarves. Imam Hassan Ali Shah asked, Wazir, who are these women? He said, Mawla, they all are the Ismaili women. The Imam said, if these women are the staunch in their faith and loyal with Imam, then there should have been the pots of gold and diamond on their heads instead of the baskets of dung. Wazir Ismail said, Ameen Mawla. The Imam blessed those women and gone. When the Ismailism spread in the whole Kathiawar, the Ismailis became staunch in their faith, with immense love with the Imam. Their economic condition was accelerated. The time then followed that not a single woman lifted basket of dung on head. There is, however, instance that the Ismaili woman took out water from the well with gold pots. Story 2. Once Wazir Ismail Ganji asked Imam Hassan Ali Shah, Mawla, during the Deedar program, many Ismailis from different cities and villages flocked in Junagadh. It is known that some non-Ismailis also participated, whom we could not recognize. What to do? The Imam said, you don't do anything. Let them come. It is a significant feature of the Deedar that my each murid will claim that he saw the Imam face to face, because they are my murids. On the contrary, the non-Ismailis will never claim alike, because they are not my murids. Waris Ismail Ganji put a counter question, Mawla, in case your murid may claim that he did not see the Imam face to face or eye to eye, then what does it imply? The Imam said, if my murid may say like the non-Ismaili, it means that his Iman, faith is weak. Story 3. Used to grant Deedar to the Ismailis from one to another village in India. And on their way, they also made hunting expeditions with a caravan of about 20 to 50 servants. Once, both of them visited Mahua in Kutch. When the ruler knew their arrival, he decided to go on strike. The local inhabitants also joined, in which was one Ismaili merchant called Manji Manik Ukha. Looking him, Imam Hassan Ali Shah addressed at a little distance, Manji, what is the problem? The local people are displeased in our arrival. Are you also displeased? Mahua is Kufa, therefore we don't drink its water. The Imam and his son didn't stay and proceeded towards Wagnagar, which was about a distance of 4 villages. There was a garden of an Ismaili, Pada Bapa, who fetted them with due consideration. He provided them cots to repose, then fed them. Upon departure, Imam Hassan Ali Shah gave him best blessings for his hospitality and said, I pray the barakat in your offsprings, your income and faith. Thus, the Imam departed from Wagnagar. Pada Bapa and his descendant procured much fruits of Imam's blessings. In his descent, a certain Saleh Muhammad Padamsi was rich in Bombay, while there was not a slightest trace of Manji Manik Ukha and his descent.